Welcome back, performers. Today's meditation is inspired by the legendary Actor's Vow by Elia Kazan. This little poem, written over 50 years ago, is still a leading light, not only for performers and actors. Its powerful message resonates in all of us, giving us practical and honest directions on how to express ourselves without judgment or fear. Till this day, these words haven't lost their impact, and I feel privileged to share them with you guys. So, find a quiet and safe place, eliminate any distractions, and let's start this journey together. I will take my rightful place on stage, and I will be myself. I'm not a cosmic orphan. I have no reason to be timid. I will respond as I feel, awkwardly, vulgarly, but respond. I will have my throat open. I will have my heart open. I will be vulnerable. I may have anything or everything the world has to offer, but the thing I need most and want most is to be myself. I will admit rejection, admit pain, admit frustration, admit even pettiness, admit shame, admit outrage, admit anything and everything that happens to me. The best and most human parts of me are those I have inhabited and hidden from the world. I will work on it. I will raise my voice. I will be heard. Now, close your eyes, stay with me, because it's time to introduce the active mantra. I will work on it. I will raise my voice. I will be heard. I will work on it. I will raise my voice. I will be heard. I will work on it. I will raise my voice. I will be heard. I will work on it. I will raise my voice. I will be heard. I will work on it. I will raise my voice. I will be heard. I will work on it. I will raise my voice. I will be heard. I will work on it. I will raise my voice. I will be heard. I will work on it. I will raise my voice. I will be heard. It's time to release the mantra. Gently, come back with your focus. Open up your eyes. Now, you're ready to perform.
So thanks so much for stopping by, guys. It's been a great pleasure sharing this meditation for you. If you like the value proposition of this video, make sure to let us know with a thumbs up and share this video to your community, because our mission here at the Coach MC Studio is to create a strong community of great actors for ever better performances, truly remarkable performances. So smash that bell button to join the notification squad, and if you're here for the first time, consider subscribing. Also, follow our adventures on Facebook and Instagram. See you next time, because we can't wait to see you again.
Så.